Hey guys, this is Paul with RCFoamFighters. Welcome back for Project Jupiter Part 4. In this video we're going to continue on with the basic construction of the plane and also getting into the electronics of the airplane. So let's get into the video and see how it all went. Okay guys, I finally got the motors in for the Jupiter project plane. Basically I'm going to be running dual motors. They're both Turnigy 1400 kV motors that are rated at about 550 watts each. Basically with the 8.4 prop they put out close to between 50 to 60 ounces of thrust. So with both of those I should have about 100 to 120 ounces of thrust on the motors, and that's running a 4S packs, two of them actually. And just to give you a size comparison, here's the usual 2212-6 motor that we run, so you can get a size comparison of the two motors. Oh, a little blurry there. But anyway, I got to build the motor mounts and mount them to the wing, and then we can start mounting all the electronics to the main wing and finishing off the fuselage.
And Paulie's getting ready to test out his steerable landing gear on the Jupiter. You're crazy, man. Just rolling down the driveway, there's no... I'd go down to the street first, man. You need a brake on that, man. Taxi down and come back, man. Go for it. Dude. Remember, you got to turn around at like 2 miles an hour. That may be an issue with that plane.
I was thinking on the throttle hardly.
Look at the leaves behind you. That's what I'm saying. That thing's gonna be a freaking rocket, man. You're crazy, dude. That thing's gonna be insane. Kevin, be careful, man, if you hit something. See what I mean, man? Careful, you're going into the wind now, man. Did you have your fun now? Did you get it out of your system? See, that thing, if I get on full throttle, it's just going to go. It's not going to have any problem. Like I said, you're going to be taking a 60-mile-an-hour takeoff, man, at least. Okay. Well, that's the ground test of the Jupiter. It looks like the steering works fine. Looks like it's got plenty of thrust, so I think we're on the right track. Hopefully I just get the balance right and it flies on the first maiden flight.
Okay guys, that pretty much completes the Jupiter project video for this week. So far it looks like the plane's coming together pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way it tracks on the ground. It's nice and straight, and I think it's definitely got plenty of power. So I think we're on the right track. It's just a matter of getting the balance right for the maiden flights. And I'm hoping if I can have enough time to finish it up this weekend, I might try and get a maiden flight in possibly tomorrow. And if I do, I'll try and get the video posted in later in the week. So thanks again for joining me for the Jupiter project, and hope you have a great day. Oh guys, real quick before you go, just make sure if you haven't signed up for the drawing giveaway this month, please take a look at our blog and see what the prize is, and send off your email entry. We're going to be giving away the prize at the end of the month, probably actually on Halloween day. That's the last day of the month, so look forward to the drawing on Halloween. Good luck to all you guys who entered the prize, and best of luck.